As you have chosen this video, it means you can understand English, but the problem is fluency. But when we are trying to speak English in front of someone, we become confused and a little bit scared. So the lack of confidence is the main problem. There are many solutions, like if you join academy to be good in English, they will start from noun, pronoun, etc. It is the best way to learn English to form the start. It will help you to know how to write and how to speak. But if you want only speak a good English and you need shortcut, then we have some simple and easy steps for you. Have you ever noticed that when you are speaking in your mother tongue, you are also thinking in your mother tongue? But on the other hand, when you try to speak in English, first you try to translate it in your mother tongue and in your mind, and then in the next step you reply. So that is the problem that kills fluency. We have some words in our mother tongue which helps us to respond quickly. We also have words of English in our mind, but our habit is to think in our mother tongue. If we skip this translation phase by changing our habit and start thinking in English, this will help us a lot to maintain the fluency level. So firstly, to speak English, it is necessary to change our habit and to start thinking in English. So to start thinking in English, we have two major steps. Number one, observation. Number two, practice. Observation. As we know, every child a very deep observer. Basically, whatever they see, they try to do. They smartly observe what is going around them, and they try to copy. A child watches his parents fighting with each other. He learns to show anger. Whatever they see, they try to do. They fail, they practice again, they fail, and in this way, slowly the communication becomes fluent. So here comes the benefits of television and the internet. You need to watch something in English, like you can watch English movies with subtitles. The main idea is to observe. By this you can come across with a lot of words in your mind, which helps you to be fluent. Now the second step is the practice. This is more bigger problem, that our friends will make fun of us if we try to speak English with them. Our family members are not ready to speak English with us. So where and how can we practice? The first way is to learn English is to think in English. So this will help you a lot. The second way is to start thinking in English. We have to talk ourselves in English. Suppose you are sitting at a study table and you are trying to think about something. Your current habit is to think in your mother tongue. So you have to change this habit by start thinking in English. Thoughts are actual sayings. The things you keep on saying to yourself the whole day are more important than what you speak to someone else. Now, come to the solution. Another great way can be that is finding the solution of the bigger problem. If your life by thinking in English, suppose here is a mother, then is saying, "Oh, I'm very tired." But the moment when child is in danger, the mother releases her all energy to protect her child. So whenever the problem is huge, the mind releases its energy to find out the solution. And mind has a part to do anything and everything. So try to find out the solution of the biggest problem of your life in English. Real problems. In case of practicing, I think the biggest problem is fear. Oh, they will make fun of me. You see, my English is not also good. But what does it matter if there are some people making fun of you? They are just trying to boost up their own ego. If you go and speak English with foreigners, they will not make fun of you because they just want to understand that what you are trying to say. So what you have to do, just keep trying and trying. Practice makes a man perfect.